Alright, there was my son's refurbishment. Look. Oh my god, guys. This is awesome, guys. I know. Get the Coca-Cola soda. Now, what's this? Coca-Cola Espuma. Here we go. Look at this, guys. But now it's new washing machine. New washing machine, guys. There's the Coca-Cola right there. New washing machine is complete already. And look at this. Let's 21 February. Yeah, guys. Look, new washing machine. Hey, look at this, Miss Guys. Now, look at this. Look, what's that complete right there? Why it's still gone? It's got it, guys. Inventory, inventory. Look, Coca-Cola is gone. Never, guys. But yeah, Coca-Cola is complete gone, guys. But now do I do what's missing in the new sites? There we go. Well, let's go with the new what's missing. Here we go. Go. It's awesome, guys. Here we go. Whee! This is so very fast, guys. Whee! I'm gonna go play the data about it, guys, because it is not full video. It was the new sites. Go my sake, yeah? Huh? What's that? Oh my goodness. What happened? You gotta try it. Gonna say, but yeah. It's 5:40. I guess that's because they already bath. It's 5:40. There it goes. But yeah, she's already knew what's missing. I think I see right there, so. Okay, that's it for now. I'm West. Since you guys already waiting and change.